Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roos. I've been doing yoga for nearly 20 years and I've been teaching for the past 10. I'm a full-time yoga teacher in Holland and abroad, and I share videos every Wednesday. If you want to learn more about yoga and body positivity, check out my channel and subscribe if you're into it. Today I want to talk to you about the pros and cons of teaching on the beach. I've been teaching beach yoga for quite a few years, and I recently organized a yoga beach festival. We had really warm weather, a really strong wind as well, and I have some tips how you can make the class more comfortable for your students even when the weather isn't perfect. Of course, it's really important that people bring suntan lotion and sunglasses and maybe even hats to protect themselves from the sun. But another good tip for when you're doing lying down poses is to bring an extra piece of clothing or a towel or something to put over their head when they're lying down. This will protect their face from the sun and the brightness as well, so it will help the body to quiet down more easily. But also it protects the face from wind. Especially here in Holland, the wind is quite strong, so you get sand blasted when you're lying down especially. You can protect your face from getting sand in your mouth and in your eyes everywhere. Another tip, instead of using a mat, use either a towel or a mandala tapestry kind of thing. This will allow you to really dig your feet into the sand and connect to the earth when you're practicing on the beach. Because you could see it as a nice spot to do yoga, but I like to really incorporate the sand, the wind, the sounds of the ocean, the sun, making your skin nice and warm to make you feel more connected to the place where you're at. Also, it's good to advise people to bring some extra layers because even though it's quite warm when you're practicing, when you're starting to lie down, it can be a little bit colder. Especially in Europe, the sand usually is quite cold when it's not the middle of the summer. So I tell them to bring extra layers so that when we lie down, they put them on and they feel nice and toasty. For this festival, we had a lot of different weather extremes. In the morning, it was beautifully hot. By the time my class was happening, which is the last block, the wind had really picked up and I really had to be aware of my voice. So normally I would stand with my back in the wind so that my voice will be carried towards the students. In this case, that wasn't possible because the wind was so strong that I had the students sit behind the windscreen that we put up so they could really hide away from the sand blasting, which made it a lot harder on my voice. As you may be able to hear, I'm a little bit sore in my throat. It's also good to think about the sun. It's great if your students are able to see you. So if you are looking into the sun, that means that your students have the sun on their back, which is nice and warm, and at the same time doesn't blind them and block their ability to see you when they're practicing. But then again, you also want to have them view the beautiful beach. So I sometimes make a concession in either the wind or the sun, view-wise, just to give them the view of the sunset. I taught in a very skimpy outfit. I'm not the standard size 2 or 4 that you expect from a yoga teacher. Not that that's bad. I love all body types and I respect all different sizes and shapes in bodies. But I really thought maybe it will inspire someone to not feel ashamed of your body when you're practicing yoga. Felt really good about it afterwards, hoping to spread a little bit of body positivity. Overall, it was a lovely day. People were really excited to practice on the beach, to be out there the whole day, to chill and get to know each other. Maybe this inspires you to either teach a yoga beach class, to take a yoga beach class, or to organize your local beach yoga event. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I'll be back next Wednesday. See you then. Bye.